Big blizzard of January of 2026 is coming. We're gonna try to camp out in the truck tonight. This is our hot truck setup. I had never really heard of a diesel heater until I guess just this year. And what it is just a little tiny heater that runs. You can run it on a battery, which is what we'll be doing tonight, or you can plug it in if you have electricity, at which point you could probably just run an electric heater. But for the purposes of figuring out how to set this whole thing up, I've had to run it on the electricity a few times. I've got some new batteries to try out tonight that my cousin has graciously provided for me, so I'm gonna try those out. One is a little lithium battery, which is surprising. It's so light, it feels like it's empty almost. So yeah, you hook this diesel heater up to power or to a battery, like to electricity plug in, or to power through a battery, and then it uses diesel to heat things up. Those who saw my last video, I did get the wood burner for the hot tent thing sorted out. Putting it in a giant bonfire did the trick for getting rid of the terrible smell. So as soon as I know that I have a night where we're not going to have terrible winds, because one of the problems I've had a little bit with that tent has been the super high winds blow it over. So when we're not going to have super high winds, I'll bring it back and get it set up. If you're wondering about this little piece of Reflectix, I have that on there just as like little extra weather thing, really. So this has a piece of ductwork that you hook here on the end, and then you also see we'll put an exhaust pipe on here that sticks out, and then this duct just goes up through the copper here, through my window here and down through the screen, and it makes it very toasty on the very lowest setting. It can run all night, and on a tank of fuel. And I noticed that we ran it all night the last time we used it, and it still was not empty. I'd say it was like half full still. This is the exhaust. One of the things that other people were commenting on was that they liked that this one, not only does it feed out the side instead of the bottom, which apparently is how a lot of these little diesel heaters have their vent out the bottom, but this one has out the side, and also it's threaded. Some of the other ones just kind of like, I guess they just stick on there or something, but this works really good. This is the little battery we're using tonight. Little tiny X2 lithium sports battery. It's this light, so much lighter than a regular automobile battery. I tried using the battery out of my lawnmower, and I'm afraid that I mean, it actually did run it for a whole night, but it's not good on those regular batteries like that. Alright, so we're just going to take this battery again, and I'll pull this out a little bit. Then the battery will sit inside with us, and the wire just comes down through here and it plugs in, and it just has this kind of a plug that goes right in there. And then close that down as best we can. All right, so you'll see then you turn this on just by pushing the button here, and it'll come on. Or there's also an app for your phone, and then there's also it comes with remote controls. Starting to come up. Can just barely hear it in here. So it says, let's see here, 18 degrees right now. Ooh. This is our flated topper again that we've talked about a good bit. I don't think if I was in a tent, I wouldn't want to be camped right next to it if I was wanting everything to be perfectly quiet and serene. But if you're out by yourself in a truck, it's pretty perfect. It's just kind of nice white noise. This pipe originally was pretty long, and we cut it. I cut it after I realized how short I could make it, and that's an airplane flying over, the extra noise. But yeah, when I realized I didn't need the extra length. So this is the Bouge RV portable diesel heater. Like I said, it has an app. The app looks like that. Click on there, and it's connected by Bluetooth, and it tells you that it's a 99 combustion efficiency, which is good, and the current voltage. And I have it turned all the way down, because if I don't, it will be 100 degrees in there. It really does, like, all the way turn down here to the 1.4 kilowatts. It will heat up the entire back of the truck, like, very, very comfortably. So we picked up 4 degrees. All right, let's see what time it is now. While we're waiting for it to warm up the back, let's do like a sound test. So I'm just gonna like back away from it, and I'll tell you where I'm at and can still hear it. Obviously can hear it right here. Again, I would compare it to like a box fan, I guess. Less than an air conditioner, or like a window air conditioner. So I'm at the front of my truck now. I can still hear it, like the equivalent of like hearing a dryer vent on a house. This distance, the sound of the fan has been like pretty much drowned out in the ambient sounds of like the wind and whatnot. But I can still hear the ticking a little bit. Yeah, I can still hear the ticking. Again, it's almost. so the last time we looked, it was like 307. Now it is like 312. Yeah. Let's see what the temperature is now. It is 31 degrees now. 31. Alright. So it's coming up nicely. It'll come up 10 degrees in like 10 minutes. So that's not bad. Let's give it a little longer. We'll let it run for like another 5 minutes. Then I'm going to shut her down for the night. So that we can have like a full charge to start out with tonight. Okay, it's been like another just 3 or 4 minutes. So we'll check it this one more time, and then we'll shut it off till tonight when we're getting ready to get in here. It is 36 degrees.
These chocolates. Dad, can you give me the hot chocolate? Chew it up a little bit. It's really good.
This is a good combo.
Mm-hmm.
What are we doing tonight?
Having a truck camp out in sub-freezing temperatures.
How cold is it outside?
Around, I think I just checked a few minutes ago, it's 8 degrees.
8 degrees. Our thermometer in here says now that it's 55. That's pretty good. We got our diesel heater thing hanging down. Been setting it up earlier in the day. We're running a small lithium battery, and we are waiting for the big snow that's supposed to be coming in. It feels like it's more than 55 right now to me.
I mean, I feel warmer because I'm in my sleeping bag.
Right. We're having some power up antioxidant mixes, and just chilling. All right, well, we'll chill out, and if we start seeing a bunch of snow, we'll stick a camera out the door. How'd you sleep last night?
Pretty good. I mean, I woke up at like 6:30, which is pretty late for me, to be honest with you. Usually I'm up about 6 or 5:30.
Yeah.
So I slept pretty good and stayed warm most of the night. I was sleeping on the side that my dad is on right now. Obviously not with my head down here, with my head down there. I'm just relaxing down here because the heater's right here. And, yeah, we had a good night, don't you think, Dad?
I think so.
I mean,
yeah.
It snowed a lot.
It did snow.
Looks like out the window.
Looks like we got several inches of snow. And it's still snowing really hard. It's supposed to snow all day.
And also, when my dad was getting trash a few days ago, he cracked or ripped the topper, which sucks.
Yeah, I'll probably reach out to Flated about getting just because, you know, just those panels can be replaced. So we'll see. The zipper's kind of jacked up on it anyways.
Yeah.
From the one side.
Yeah, we could use a new one of these. It's starting to get kind of beat up.
Yep.
You know, to shine your light. 73 degrees.
73 in here.
It got hotter.
All right.
Ooh, I already. Oh, yesterday, right before I came home, when they were gonna walk me back. We got to play outside for a little bit,
Yeah.
and we were running around on the pond for a little bit.
Oh, yeah.
Chuck said we could, but then he went out into the night.
Not really. Oh, crap. I gotta grab this. That's the snow. Yeah. I know. I already plowed once. I plowed this whole driveway out a couple of hours ago, and it hardly looks like I did anything.
Oh, wait, that's actually a comfy chair. It's up to my knees. Don't bury my neck or my head. Bury all of him. No, don't. Get him covered. Oh, that's good.